Recharge and invite joy, peace, and positivity into your life with this meditation. Before we get started, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell so you'll always catch our new meditations. Welcome, LuSHiners. This is your time, your space to recharge and embrace the positive energy within you. In the rush of daily life, we often absorb stress, negativity, and exhaustion without realizing it. Over time, this can weigh us down, affecting our mood, our thoughts, and even our physical well-being. But just as we nourish our bodies, we must also nourish our energy, clearing out what no longer serves us, and replenishing ourselves with light, joy, and peace. This meditation is your opportunity to reconnect with the limitless positivity that already exists within you, allowing it to radiate freely into every part of your life. Find a quiet, comfortable place where you can fully relax. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. With each inhale, imagine drawing in pure, calming energy. And with each exhale, let go of anything that feels heavy, any tension, any worry. Feel yourself arriving fully in this moment, releasing the past and setting aside the future. Right now, all that matters is this peaceful space you are creating for yourself. Now let's bring your awareness to your breath. Just notice it, the way it moves in and out. There's nothing to change, nothing to force. Simply breathe naturally and feel yourself softening into relaxation. Now imagine a warm golden light above your head, like the gentle glow of the sun. This light is filled with pure, radiant energy. And as it touches you, it begins to flow down into your body. Feel it softly warming the crown of your head, relaxing your forehead, releasing any tension in your jaw. Let this golden light move down your neck, rolling over your shoulders like a gentle wave, melting away all tightness. Feel it flowing through your arms, your hands, filling them with a sense of calm. Let it move through your chest, expanding your heart space, and then down through your belly, bringing ease and peace. Now let the warmth travel down your spine, into your hips, flowing through your legs, all the way to the tips of your toes. Your whole body is now bathed in this beautiful golden light, grounding you, supporting you, and filling you with serenity. Now let's set a positive intention for your time here. What energy would you like to invite into your life today? Maybe it's joy. Maybe it's confidence. Maybe it's peace. Silently or aloud, say to yourself, I open myself to positive energy. I open myself to positive energy. I welcome joy and peace into my life. I welcome joy and peace into my life. Feel those words sinking into your heart. Feel their truth. With each breath, allow yourself to embrace this energy more and more. Imagine a soft, radiant glow expanding from your heart, filling you up with warmth, positivity, and love. Let this light grow stronger, reaching beyond your body, filling the space around you. You are becoming a beacon of positive energy. Now picture yourself standing in a beautiful open field. The golden sun shines above, wrapping you in warmth. A gentle breeze moves through the air, brushing softly against your skin. You feel completely safe, completely at peace. With every inhale, you draw in this fresh, revitalizing energy. It flows through every cell in your body, filling you with light. And with every exhale, you release anything that no longer serves you. Stress, doubt, negativity. Let them drift away like leaves in the wind, disappearing into the earth, transforming into love and healing. Now visualize this golden energy moving through you like a river, flowing freely from head to toe, cleansing, restoring, and renewing every part of you. You are radiant, glowing with positivity, and completely recharged. See yourself sharing this energy with the world, sending out love to those you care about, to your community, and to all of humanity. Know that you are a source of light and goodness in this world. You are powerful. You are abundant. You are love. Now take a moment to focus on gratitude. Think of 3 things, big or small, that you are truly grateful for right now. Let that gratitude expand in your heart, making your positive energy even stronger. Now I invite you to repeat these affirmations after me. Say them aloud or in your mind, letting their truth sink deep into your spirit. I am filled with vibrant energy. I am filled with vibrant energy. I radiate positivity and joy. I radiate positivity and joy. I attract love, peace, and abundance into my life. I attract love, peace, and abundance into my life. I am strong, confident, and full of light. I am strong, confident, and full of light. My energy uplifts and inspires those around me. My energy uplifts and inspires those around me. I am worthy of happiness and success. I am worthy of happiness and success. I am surrounded by love and positivity. I am surrounded by love and positivity. My thoughts create my reality, and I choose positivity. My thoughts create my reality, and I choose positivity. Every day, I grow stronger, wiser, and more resilient. Every day, I grow stronger, wiser, and more resilient. I embrace the present moment with gratitude and joy. I embrace the present moment with gratitude and joy. Happiness flows to me effortlessly and abundantly. Happiness flows to me effortlessly and abundantly. I trust the journey of my life and welcome all blessings. I trust the journey of my life and welcome all blessings. I am aligned with the highest vibrations of love and joy. I am aligned with the highest vibrations of love and joy. My inner light shines brightly, guiding me forward. My inner light shines brightly, guiding me forward. I release what no longer serves me and make space for new opportunities. I release what no longer serves me and make space for new opportunities. With each affirmation, feel its truth deep within you. Allow yourself to fully believe and embody these words. When you feel ready, take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh, revitalizing energy. And as you exhale, release any remaining tension, letting go completely, feeling lighter and more at peace. When you open your eyes, know that this positive energy stays with you. You carry this light, this joy, this peace within you, always accessible, always present. Thank you for sharing this time with me. May your day be filled with light, joy, and endless blessings. Go forward with a heart full of gratitude and a spirit filled with positivity. Thanks for meditating with us. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share this with someone who could use a little peace today.